Hey, everyone, welcome back to Over Channel. If you're tired of being limited on the number of Gmail accounts you can create, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you a way to create unlimited Gmail accounts using Google Cloud Skills Boost. It's a bit of a workaround, but it works perfectly. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and search for Google Cloud Skills Boost. Just type that in the search bar and press enter. Then, click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the Google Cloud Skills Boost website. Once you're on the Google Cloud Skills Boost site, first of all you need to sign in with your existing account. After signing in, you'll be greeted with a welcome message. This will bring you to a new page. Now you're on the Google Cloud Skills Boost homepage. To proceed, click on the Explore button at the top bar. This will open up a list of options. Scroll down until you see Format. Click on the arrow next to Format, and then select Lab from the drop-down. Once you've selected Lab, the page will start loading. After it loads, scroll down a bit until you find a section titled Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Click on that. And then click Start Lab to begin. When you start the lab, it will load a username, password, and project ID. These are temporary credentials you'll use to create a new Gmail account. Open a new tab and go to YouTube. Make sure it's YouTube, don't use any other site. Once you're on YouTube, click on your account icon in the top right corner and select Switch Account. Then, click on Add Account. You'll see a prompt to enter an email or phone number. Go back to the Google Cloud tab and copy the username provided. Then, return to the YouTube tab and paste the username into the email or phone field, and press Next. After that, go back to Google Cloud, copy the password, and paste it into the password field on YouTube. If you want to double-check, you can click Show Password to make sure everything's correct. Press Next, and wait a moment for it to load. And there you go. You'll be welcomed to your new Gmail account. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to create as many Gmail accounts as you need. Just follow these steps, and you'll be all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good.
Bye.